The story of EzeAnya further aligns to the purpose of this presentation. A priest king named EzeAnya woke up one morning and desired to gain sight beyond sight. He consulted the most powerful Dibia in his community, and the Dibia advised him to go into nature, specifically to the birds. He told him that the birds would direct him on what to do. EzeAnya walked around all the forest in his land, asking every bird for one eye, in order for him to gain sight beyond sight. He presented his most beautiful daughter, Akwa Ugeze, to any bird that will be willing to give him one of their eyes in order for him to gain sight beyond sight. One by one, the birds rejected his offer and told him that sight beyond sight is a gift from their chi, and that a gift from one's chi can never be exchanged with anything. The birds chanted the mantra, "Omaloneta bo ONATALU monnono, Omaloneta bo ONATALU monnono, Omaloneta bo ONATALU monnono." After many days of being rejected by all the birds in his community, EzeAnya encountered a very sacred bird known as Ubana, also known as Chekeleke in Igbo language. EzeAnya begged Ubana, Chekeleke, for an eye. Like all the other birds, Chekeleke further explained to him that no bird would be willing to give up their eyes for him, and that he must understand that na Omaloneta bo ONATALU monnono, and also that you cannot be looking for things of the spirit in the physical existence. After much struggle, the bird decided to help the king, but only on one condition: he must wait 4 market days. It is very important to meditate on what Chekeleke told EzeAnya. The sacred bird told him that you cannot be looking for things of the spirit in the physical existence. However, EzeAnya didn't care. On the 4th day, which was on Eke day, Ubana, Chekeleke, arrived with a parcel wrapped with palm fronds. Before anything, the bird told EzeAnya to hand over his daughter. Then he will hand over the parcel. EzeAnya handed over his daughter, and Chekeleke, Ubala, hands over the parcel and told him that all he needs to do is to watch what will happen. Then Ubana, Chekeleke, flew away with Akwa Ugeze, the daughter of EzeAnya. Chekeleke, Ubana, no more nafu mba more, flew away with Akwa Ugeze, the first daughter of EzeAnya. After 8 days, while EzeAnya was watching the parcel given to him by Ubana, Chekeleke, a bunch of woodpeckers, flew out of the sacred parcel and plucked out his 2 eyes and flew away with them. Immediately he started screaming, and some village people gathered. One of them ran and called a very powerful Dibiafa. The Dibia came and repeated the same thing Chekeleke told EzeAnya. But first of all, he used some herbs to heal his wounds. He said to him that one cannot use the physical eye, Osenabo, to see the ether, Etora. And then he also told EzeAnya that his wish has been granted, because now he can begin to see with his super eye. At first, EzeAnya was a bit confused, but as time went by, he began to gain divine knowledge concerning his situation. EzeAnya lost his 2 eyes and his most beautiful daughter, and did not get any eye from any bird. The 3rd eye is not a physical eye. The 3rd eye is the spiritual eye, which is built on our konuche, intellect, and wisdom. Humans don't have a physical 3rd eye. The so-called 3rd eye itself is nothing but Akpauche Mado. But EzeAnya, being an Ofeke, did not understand the true meaning of having sight beyond sight. He thought it was about bargaining. So instead of seeking wisdom, he went and started bargaining with every bird in the village, failing to see all the signs that OMALU bo ONATALU OMNUNU. The birds expressed their faith in nature and refused to bend their faith for a human who is not satisfied with his own faith in nature. For example, how can you ask Messi to cut off his 2 legs and give you so that you can play ball like him? Your chi did not usher you in here to become Messi. Akara aka gị na Messi abụrụ ofu. OMALU agba bụ ONATALU Messi. Focus on finding out what your ONATALU is.